Hello everyone, today we'll be making omelette curry. So I've separated the egg whites and yolk of the 2 eggs. Onto the yolk I've dropped in few slices of onion, finely chopped 1 chilli, and sprinkle salt as would be needed for the omelette. Mix it up well and also beat the egg white properly so that it gives this kind of texture. Drop in the egg white onto the yolk and mix it up well. Take a pan and heat some mustard oil. Drop in the omelette mix. I have also added few raisins to it. Cover it and cook it until the omelette is cooked properly on both sides. Cut them into pieces and keep it aside. Take a small bowl and drop in half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it up well by using water. Keep the spice mix aside. And in a wok, take about 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Drop in 1 bay leaf. I've also added 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 cinnamon piece. Also dropped in slices of the onion and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I've also added 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Also add the chopped tomatoes when the onion is golden brown. When the tomatoes are soft, add in the spice mix that we had prepared and drop in the potatoes. Add water for the curry. This might look a lot, but the omelette is going to soak up the curry. I've removed the bay leaves and now adding the omelette pieces. Once this is done, cover it and let it cook for some time. In about 3 to 5 minutes, your curry would be ready. Sprinkle some garam masala on top and there you go, your omelette curry is ready.